welcome to Photopea. Today, we'll explore how to edit text seamlessly. Let's dive in. First, open your project with the text you want to modify. Click on the text layer to select it. To change your text, simply start typing. You can adjust size, font, and color in the character panel. For more control, use the transform tool. Rotate or resize your text as needed for a perfect fit. Add effects like shadows or strokes to enhance visibility and style. This is where your creativity shines. Finally, don't forget to save your project. Click File, then Save or Export to keep your edits. Review your text adjustment to ensure everything looks perfect. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Testing different colors and styles? It's easy. Just select the text and try different options. Once satisfied, hit Done. Your beautifully edited text is now ready to impress. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting with different text styles. Share your creations with friends or on social media to showcase your new skills. That's it. You're now ready to edit text like a pro in Photopea. Happy designing!